Hey there, community. As you can see here, we're sitting in a lobby and he won't start the game. I've messaged him twice, as you can see right there. I said, been 5 minutes, and up here I said start or forfeit. And as you can see, it's 10:19. Oh, he just he just closed the party. Well, let's go to theater mode and look when the last game took place. Alright, so last map was Raid, and we played it at 10:03. It took 7 minutes and 55, so let's say 8 minutes. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 minutes from 11. 16. So, as you can see, it's 10:20. So that's 10 minutes in between matches, so they forfeit. Thanks, community.